You guys, so I still get questions about how to get Influencer's VoxBox. I remember making a video about it, so please check out that video. I will link it right here, also in my description box. If you want to get free skincare, makeup, to try it out from Influencer, watch that video. I talked about the process and all that. I recently just got a VoxBox, so let's unbox it and see what I got this time. This one is a Just For You. I think this is the second time I got Just For You. I think before it was a green box. I also made an unboxing video for that. I will tell you the truth, when I got the last Just For You box, I wasn't very excited for it because I got pancake mix and just some random stuff which I don't really care for, to be honest. When it comes to Influencer, I only want to try the makeup items and skincare, beauty stuff. So when I got pancake mix in my box, I'm like, oh, I don't really care to review that, you know? After you watch that video on how to get a VoxBox, this is what I want to tell you. When they send you an email that ask you to do the survey, if you see the survey is not for beauty items, or if it's not aligned to what you're interested in reviewing, just don't do it. I opt out many times, and it says that that doesn't affect your chance of getting the VoxBox. If it's not something I want, I don't want to do it, because most of the time in return you have to write a review on Influencer or on the brand's website or Target or whatever, which is fine. I don't mind writing those reviews, but a lot of times they ask you to post photos on Instagram, and that's what I don't want. I only want to post beauty content or fashion content, beauty related. So I really don't want to do that. So just in case, if you're like me, you don't want to do food items, or sometimes I see people posting Advil, like I don't care to review that, Usually VoxBox, it depends on the brand, it usually has a special brand packaging, like this, for example. I got the Bare Mineral foundation a while ago, and this Hailey Bieber. So yeah, I really like their custom boxes. So see, Influencer, and over here says Bare Mineral. It also has little phrases about this product, and it's just a super cute custom box. And you open it up. Oops, I have a lot of trash in here. Sorry. Just for you to see how it looks. So you see, it's kind of like a presentation of the new product they're launching, which I love. You feel special getting this. It has all the detailings about this product. Also, you can get something like this. Sally Hansen, it's a brand that everyone has heard of. Influencer over here. Open it up. This one is not as fancy. The Bare Mineral, this is my favorite kind. You feel special receiving the box. And Sally Hansen, this is not bad. It's still their custom box. It's just not as fancy, but it's still not bad, Okay, so now, this Just For You, it's actually an essential box that Influencer put together for you. That's why it's called Just For You, right? Fragile liquid, and it has stars, Influencer. Over here has their logo. So this can be random stuff, a mixture of different brands. Let's see what I got this time. I already opened it, but I don't remember everything in here. So you open it up, it's like this. This is their winter prep VoxBox. So you will get a card like this in each box. The back has the instructions of what to do next. Okay, so let's see. I got Believe's the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This one is super tiny. I have tried this out before and I loved it. And next we have Clinical by Spascriptions Hydrating Facial Serum. It is this one. I've never heard of this brand. Wait, why does it say made in China at the bottom though? I do not use any makeup stuff or skincare that's made in China. No offense, but I don't. It's just like their regulation is, I don't trust them, so if it's made in China, I'm not gonna try it. Over here it says made in China. I can't find the exact product at the moment, but I see some other products that are like $5, $7.99. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it, because I feel like this type of product is at least like maybe $30, $50, and when it's so cheap like this, I don't know if I can trust it. This is the downside when it comes to influencer, is that they ask you to do a survey and they're not going to tell you what they're going to send you. Alright, next, Nativa Spa Quinoa Firming Body Lotion. It's a plant-based body care. So this is it. This is the lotion. Can you see? And this is made in Brazil. Smells really strong and smells really good. Hopefully it won't trigger my allergies, but it smells really good. Smells really good and strong. I feel like it's a perfume lotion. It's hard to describe. It's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. I think it's great if you're going to a party. Personally, just day to day, I don't like to use this strong scent. It's super strong. Like if you apply this, your entire room would smell like this. So I do like the scent though. I probably will use it time to time. Alright, next we have Coco and Eve Miracle Hair Elixir. The packaging is super cute. I love it. It's very tropical. This one is made in the UK. I'm excited to try this. I really don't have many hair products, so I'm excited to try this out. Multi-purpose hair oil. Cruelty free and it's vegan. Turn down the brightness. It's pink. And it smells pretty good. Let me try it. It's very oily. Probably need to wash my hands after. I don't like that feeling on my hand. It's perfect for my hair and my hair is really long. It definitely needs some hydration. Okay. Oh, actually, it doesn't feel greasy anymore. It's all in my hair. I would definitely try that out. So yeah, that's what I got from the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out how to get a VoxBox if you're interested. I will link it down below as well. So yeah, thanks for watching.